Okay, just waiting for a few more people to join in here so we can do a live unboxing. Hey guys, just welcome to my live unboxing or unbagging. I have my huge H&M order here. It just finally came in, and I wanted to do another live unboxing with you guys. And I like to do these live unbaggings because that way, you know, we can interact. And when I'm unbagging stuff, if you have any questions or if you have any comments about anything, you know, we can talk real time so that you can go, and if you have your H&M order or your Zara order open, you know, when we do these live unbaggings, you can actually place your order right when we're having our conversation or when I'm unbagging everything, so that, you know, you can order it in real time. So this order here, I placed it a couple of weeks ago and it just arrived now. And I know with everybody else, everybody's orders are taking a really long time to come, so I'm not the only one whose order is taking a while. So I can't even really remember what I ordered, to be honest. I did 3 H&M orders. I did one that was a small one for the white eyelet dress, which I just posted a video on, so be sure to check that out. That was a blogger favorite dress, and I don't know if it's available now anymore. I know that they restocked it in a pink, and then they also bought it in a black. So if you do like that one, you can run over to that video. I have all the links and everything there for you. And so I did 2 other H&M orders. I did a blogger favorite pieces of pieces that I've been seeing that a lot of people have been wearing, and that are also my picks as well. And then I did another order of high-end designer looking pieces from H&M, so that if you want to wear H&M but you want to wear pieces that that don't really resonate H&M, but you know, you get a little bit more bang for your buck. So that order was pretty big. That was about $570 order. So I'm not sure which order this is, because of the 3 orders I got 1, so I have 2 more, and it's gonna be one of those. So let's see what's in here. So I'll get my scissors here and we'll just cut through here. Okay, so the first thing, oh yeah, I remember this dress. I really love this dress when I saw it. It's so cute. It's it's like black and white. I believe it was $34.99, so it's not that expensive. It was just a really cute kind of girly, frilly, easy throw-on piece. It'll look great paired with like black lace-up sandals, slides. Yeah, super cute, as you can see here. Just an easy piece. It's got a little lining underneath here. I ordered a size, what did I order? I ordered a size medium. I'm always scared with H&M because I know their stuff used to be super small before, and now it they rechanged all of that, so it fits a little bit bigger. But yeah, I would rather size up than size down, because you know, you'd rather fit into it than not fit into it. So I'm just kind of flailing with my hair. Yeah, so really cute, easy piece to throw on. Great for, you can wear this to work with a blazer or a jacket. You can wear it with sneakers. You can wear it with a boot, a little ankle booty, lace-up sandals, your cute little favorite purse, and yeah, easy dress to wear. So this is this dress here. I really like this dress actually, and it wasn't that expensive. It was $34.99. It's got nice little pleating up here with this cute little neckline. The sleeves kind of billow out, and it's lined as well. So, but it's really cute, and I like the little neckline in the back as well. But yeah, and it's got like a little bit of layering, and it is see-through, but it's okay, it's got lining. So this is a size medium. I would probably size down to a small. But I think it's really cute, and it comes in 2 other prints as well. And I think with a nice pair of black sandals or lace-up sandals, even you could do a sneaker, a leather jacket to make it a little bit more cooler. You can do it with a boot. I would do more of an ankle boot, to be honest, than I would do a combat boot, because I don't know, I think it would be a little bit too harsh for this dress. But yeah, super cute. I would definitely recommend it if you are thinking about getting it. And yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say about this dress. So $34.99, and except at first I thought it went on the other way, but it does have just two little, it's got like an open here and a tie, and then an opening at the top. So but I will do a try on as well with in my other videos, so you can see how I style it. So we'll throw that there. So this one's just, this video here is just first impressions. So I'll have another video up with it styled, so that you can see how everything looks styled. But in this video, I'm just gonna, it's just my first impressions of everything that I ordered. So this was a really cute dress as well. I remember this one. I just loved the way it looked on the model, and I think it would be really cute. You can wear this with like a clear sandal, or like even a beige like lace-up sandal, a burgundy sandal if you have one. Oops, let's see here. Yeah, it's super cute. It's just an easy piece. Got nice full sleeve, and it's got a little bit of a empire waist, and then it's just pleated all the way down. And I ordered a size medium. This one was a bit more expensive. It's got a hook and eye, so if you don't want to wear it too revealing, depending on what your bust size is. But yeah, it's such a cute, easy dress. And it just definitely needs a lot of steaming. But so if you're not into wearing pieces that wrinkle, I don't think you'd want to order this one, because it looks like something that would definitely wrinkle a lot. And you know, nobody likes to look all wrinkled when they're sitting in their car and then going out for dinner or meeting somebody, or just even walking around. You kind of want to look a little bit more put together. So yeah, definitely would need a steaming. If you don't have a steamer, I would say invest in a steamer. It's like the best thing ever. Yeah, so I love to see how that one's gonna look on. Okay, so guys, I'm not liking this dress at all. When I saw it online, it looked more like the waist was more of an empire. So if this had started up here and went out, I would have been totally in love with it. I just find this is such an awkward place for me. So yeah, it's kind of a shame, because it looked so cute and it looked so dramatic. The sleeves are, I mean, it might fit differently on somebody else, but for me, it's definitely a no. And it was expensive. It was like $69. And it's got no pockets either, so yeah, I would definitely, this one's gonna definitely go back. But yeah, so it's got a hook and eye right here, and then it goes down to here, so the neckline is really low. For me though, if the neck was in the right spot, I probably would have kept it. If this was up here, I would have 100% kept it. But yeah, so this one's gonna be a no. So this dress here, I saw it on a couple of people, but they had it in black and white, in a black and white print, and then they had the striped yellow, and then they had it, I wanna say they had it in a pink, but I can't remember. But I saw this on one of my other bloggers' videos, and I really liked the way she had it on. So this one wasn't that expensive, it's $35.99, but it sucks because the black one and the white one completely sold out. So too many people had been wearing it. So it's really pretty. It's super big, so I would definitely say stick to your size. I did order a medium, but I'm thinking I could have got away with a small. But it's very see-through, guys. So I don't know how I feel about that, because I would think that it would come with a white cami underneath, but nothing. It's not even lined, and as you can see here, it's quite see-through. So I don't know, I'm not too happy about that. I'll have to see how it looks like on, but right now I'm not too happy that there's no lining on that. But yeah, it's super cute, easy summer piece. Maybe you can also use it as like a beach cover-up, but I think you're definitely gonna need a slip underneath this one, because maybe if I had ordered the black, it wouldn't have been such a big issue, or the other printed one, but yeah, not sure about that one because I think the fact that it's see-through is not a good thing. You guys, so this dress here is super cute. I really love it. I'm just so disappointed that it doesn't have a slip underneath. It's extremely see-through, so I would say this would be something you could wear as a beach cover-up. For $39.99, I would expect it to have a lining. But it came in, if it was black, I would have bought it, but the black completely sold out. The white also sold out. But I love the shape and the silhouette. Like, I love everything about this dress except that it doesn't have a lining. So other than wearing it to the beach, I can't really see myself wearing it anywhere unless I put a slip underneath it. This is a size medium, so I would definitely say stick to your size. I should have probably got a small. I love the elastic sleeves. I love the neckline. But yeah, I'm not liking the fact that it doesn't have a slip underneath it. And it was reasonably priced too. I think it was $39.99 or $34.99. So it wasn't that. I'll link everything in the description box in case you do want to buy it. But yeah, I'm not really impressed by this. But, and this is, I don't know if I said it already, but it's a medium. So I would say if you're small, get a small. If you're a medium, get a medium. So stick true to your size. But yeah, it's too see-through. It's too bad. And let's see what else we got in here. Oh yeah, I remember this dress. I mean top. I saw this top on on one blogger's site, and I really loved it. But they had it in a beige, in a tan, and I only saw the lilac or the purple, or pastel purple, I guess you would call this. Which kind of sucks because I really wanted that other color. But so depending on where you are, because if you're in the UK, they have it in the beige. But in North America, it was only available in the purple, the black, and a white. So I don't know. I'm not sure about that. But the purple was better. Black and white was just kind of took away from the top, I feel. But this is kind of cute. It was only $19.99, so it's really cheap. And it's in a nice stretchy material. So I say if you're gonna get this, I would just stick true to your size, because it's a medium and it looks pretty big. I would say that looks pretty big. So I would just say stick to your size. But I would try it on. I love the bellowy sleeves. I think this would look great with black jeans, with blue jeans. It would look great with, you can wear it with gray, light blue, black, white. You can dress it up with a summer sandal, or you can wear it with a sneaker. I think all of those things would look really great with this top. So, and even the buttons are like, they're all lined, like they're covered, so kind of adds a little bit. For $19.99, I think it's pretty good. Okay, and I think I only have one more piece. So when you order, like make such a big order like this, I would definitely go back and check your receipt to make sure that you got everything, because you know, I placed this order like months ago, well, weeks ago, and I honestly don't remember exactly what I ordered. So definitely pull out your order and check everything, make sure that you got everything that you had placed, because it's kind of like when you shop in a store and you buy like you do a huge pull, and then you get home and you realize that something wasn't put in your bag, right? So you definitely want to make sure you get everything that you ordered. So the last piece here is this dress, which was super popular online. Everybody was wearing it. Again, this came in a black, it came in an animal print. I don't remember. It came in like 4 different colorways though. And this one is available in stores. So if you go to order it online and it's not available anymore, I would check the stores when they open, because there's inventory in stores now that you know, I don't know if a lot of these online sellers are pulling store inventory, but I'm assuming that they're not, because you know that would require employees, and you know I don't think they have the employee power to pull from stock, so from the store. So yeah, and then this one here, I ordered it in a medium, so it looks, yeah, this is huge. So I would definitely stick to your size. I could have probably got a small, mind you, it doesn't look too bad when it's oversized either. So, and then this one does have, it's lined. It's got a little bit of lining underneath, and it's got like a little dropped hem, which kind of gives it a little bit of weight, so kind of pulls it down a little bit more. This one was only $34.99, but yeah, I think it's really cute. Material looks pretty good too, actually. Hey guys, so this is the dress on. I think it's really cute. I mean, it's great for the summertime. This is a size medium, so I would say stick to your size, because this is pretty oversized for me, I would say. So it does fit big. I love the sleeves. I just wish they were a bit tighter, because like I like them to be a little bit more tight. It'd be nice if they did elastic, but it's more of just a lining, or what do you call it, a hem. Yeah, and it's pleated here, and it looks cute. I mean, it's great for just an easy day. You can even wear it at home in the summer. $39.99 is the price, not that bad. But yeah, it's super cute. I would definitely recommend this, and it's got lining underneath it too, so. But it's just an easy, and this dress is also available in store. So when the stores open back up, you could probably, if it's sold out online, you can still get it in store. And it's got like little flowers on it. Yeah, so that is my entire H&M order. Again, this is just a first impressions and a live unboxing, so if you have any questions or comments, always shoot them up to me. So when I'm doing my unboxings, I can answer your real-time questions at the same time. But I will do a styling haul, a styling video on all these pieces, so you can see how I've styled them, how they look like on, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel. You can, the little box here, you can just click on it and you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you get notifications when I have new videos up. I have one more H&M order to come, so I have a whole bunch of videos I will be posting, so I hope you will check them out. And again, I will link everything in the description box below, guys, and I really appreciate that you guys are following my channel and supporting me. Talk to you guys later. Bye.